Love for your country. Show love for your country.
Hello and welcome to another edition of Awkward Thumbs, where the experts teach us everything we need to know about backyard gardening. And remember guys, it's all about changing those awkward thumbs into green thumbs. We're here with Albert again, who is going to tell us everything we need to know about water harvesting. So Albert, can you just tell me exactly what is water harvesting? Because I have absolutely no idea what it is.
Now, water harvesting is really a simple process where you use a system to trap the rainwater, either from the roof or the house or a shed or anything like that. I'll show you how exactly it's done. Okay, you insert your bit into the drilling machine and you turn your can. You make sure that it's about 4 inches from the base, and then you insert your hole. You drill your hole, make sure that it's proper and it's gone right through. And after that you then put in your tap like that. And there's a nut here that tightens it from the inside. So you hold up the can like this, and then you screw on your nut onto the your nut onto the tap, and then you can use your pliers to give you to tighten it. Okay, we talk about the overflow. The overflow is very important because some drums might have a cover, so the water might not be able to escape. Right. So the idea is you have to find a method for the water to escape. You go through the same process again. You measure about 4 inches down from the top, right? And you have a fitting here we call a male adapter. And you could after you drill the hole, you insert your male adapter, and then you have a nut again that you actually tighten to keep the male adapter in place, right? Okay, after that, this is the overflow pipe. So the length of this could vary, depends on where you want the water to land. So you actually insert your overflow pipe like that, right? And you have an elbow. And then you could actually put on an extra piece like that. Something I want to mention here though, you can have a series of these drums, and you could actually connect them together. What you can do is you could bore, like for example, if you're using another drum, you could bore a hole about the same 4 inches from the base, and you attach it using the same method with the screws and nuts.
Okay, so explain it to me how it works now.
Okay, it's a simple system. Okay, you have the downpipe from your gutter system, which will go into the drum. But some drums, as I mentioned before, might have a cover. So it means that you might have to make a hole into the top of the drum. Right? Okay. Something that I must spell out very carefully here is that you should really put a piece of mesh here to like trap any debris or anything that coming from the roof. For example, this downpipe is actually square, but you have a fitting that has a round base that you can actually attach to this downpipe. So you can make actually a circular hole for 3 inches, which will allow the pipe to go right into the thing like that. Okay, after that is finished now, you have your tap in place.
And you just turn it on.
Okay, another thing that's important now is the height of the drum. You want it to be actually, I would say friendly. You don't want to be bending too low. So if you're using, say, a watering can, so you want to be able to turn on the tap with comfort. So you can actually raise the drum. And there's many ways of doing it. You can use some blocks. You can get a stand bill, or you can actually get a bracket bill, which you can actually screw onto the building, and you can actually raise it to the height that you want. One of the important things of raising the height is that you will get gravity, and you can have a gravity fed system.
So Albert, we don't want to be breeding mosquitoes. Is there any way that we can keep them out?
Of course, you can use 2 methods. You can use piece of mesh, which is readily available, or you can get piece of plywood, and you can actually insert a hole, which might be a 3-inch hole to accommodate the downpipe, and you could place it on because the plywood will fit level and it will be pretty solid.
Well, thanks so much for coming and sharing this information with us today. It's easy and it makes economic sense. So join us another time as we turn awkward thumbs into green thumbs.
Turning awkward thumbs into green thumbs.